Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. You have to download and install Microsoft Teams on a PC or a laptop in Windows. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Teams are a really useful app and a lot of workplaces will require it, and just a lot of people use it now. It's essentially a conferencing app, but you can message on it, share work, and it's a really great app. To go and get it, you need to go and open up a web browser or use Chrome. You can use something else, and what you then want to do is go and search for Microsoft Teams app like so, and you want to come to this top result, which is download Microsoft Teams. Desktop. Once you're here on the official Microsoft site, click on Download Teams and the setup file will download. Now you can open up your File Explorer, come over to the left and select Downloads, and you can then go and run the application. Here you'll go and get this Microsoft Teams pop up and it says downloading. Just keep waiting, now it should go and start opening. Just go and continue to wait, and here we. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.